With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in a silicon manufacturing unit, silicon is obtained by heating 100 kg of pure sand with 45 kg of high-grade coke in an electric furnace. Write the balanced equation of the reaction. So basically, sand is nothing but silicon dioxide, SiO2. Okay. So SiO2 is basically sand. Okay. And when sand is reduced with graphite, which is carbon basically, this is graphite in the presence of electric furnace, okay, then what happens is the reduction of sand to silicon take place. Okay, so silicon will be forming here. This is silicon with the formation of carbon monoxide, which is forming here. Okay, so this is carbon monoxide, which is the neutral gas basically. Okay, so if we balance the reaction, so our silicon is balanced on both the side, our oxygen has to be balanced. Okay, so here we must be having 2 because on the LHS we are having 2 atoms of oxygen, and in the RHS we will be having 2 atoms of oxygen after multiplying carbon monoxide by 2. So in order to balance the carbon, we will be having 2 here. So this is the balanced reaction for the manufacturing of the silicon from the sand. This completes the answer of the question. I hope that I made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.